Okay, here it goes. This is a pumpkin carving throwdown. What's up, everybody? We're the JustTwoBrosIn, and in this video, we're gonna show you our pumpkin carving throwdown. So guess what? It's October, and this is the time to carve our pumpkins. So yesterday, we went to the farm and bought our pumpkins. We are going to the pumpkin patch. We're gonna pick some pumpkins to carve and carve and carve and carve and carve.
Too young to talk about forever. Talk about the weather to know any better. I just want to laugh until I can't breathe. Midnight moonlight dancing, never get enough sleep. Oh, the whole night through. And we could count.
So here we are at the pumpkin patch now. We're trying to find a perfect pumpkin for our carving contest. Let's go.
Close your eyes, pretend that it's your.
I found a double pumpkin! One of these three, two of these three will be our contestants.
We just wanna.
After a hot morning, we find their perfect pumpkins. Ta-da! Wow, these pumpkins are big.
Yeah.
For this episode, our parents are allowed to help us. So it's not just two bros in, it's four. So let's move these pumpkins out of the way and get picking. Now we got our pumpkins off the table. Let's get picking. We got our pencils, names, and papers in our pumpkin bucket. Now we're ready to start picking. Drum roll, please. Okay, stop. That's gotta be Poppy.
Oh, Poppy! I got Poppy!
I wanted Mommy. Yes, because she's got the crazy arts. Now we gotta get some ideas from Pinterest. Whoa, this one looks cool. This one looks cool too. Oh, I found an idea. Oh, I found my idea.
The throwdown is ready.
First, we gotta take out the guts. So we went outside to not make a mess inside. Hello, anybody in there? Happy Halloween! We already made the big mess outside, so we decided to bring it in so we can continue carving. This is going well! I'm done with mine. I'm done! Yes, I'm done! I carved my whole thing. This hand. Yeah! Ah, nice!
Can I need help?
Yeet! Oh my God! Yo!
That's when he's cutting business.
No, I'm gonna do it.
Now it's my turn. Oh, this is heavy.
Whoa! And we're done. We added some dry ice Let's see how it looks. Whoa! You can hear it bubbling, guys. And now for the piece of rusty stones. It's a little messy, so we had to put a tray under it. Let's hope it works. We switched sides and everything, and now it's time to pour this milk. Okay, here it goes. Go, stop! Oh my God, it's close it! It's Elephant Toothpaste! Wait, where is it? Where's the... What the... Oh, there it is. Huh. It's Elephant Toothpaste, guys! Oh my goodness, it's not breakable! Oh, it's floating! Seriously? You're not even cleaning your teeth! So, what do you guys think of my piece of resistance? We had a lot of fun doing this, and we hope you did too by watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like. And make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. And make sure to hit that bell button and turn your notifications on. And we'll see you on our next adventure!